Hi, Carson Flory here at Ray Skillman Ford. We're actually on site with the 2019 Roush F250. Really mean aggressive package here with that sport appearance and blacked out package. You're not gonna have a single touch of chrome on here. This thing is absolutely murdered out, 100% beautiful. If you come around to the front end, you're gonna have the Roush 250 grille with the marker lights, that sport appearance bumper down here to really complete that package. Underneath the hood, all of these will have the 6.7 liter diesel engine, maximum power with unlimited towing capabilities. You're gonna be well into the teens on this truck. Coming around the side, we'll touch on a couple other points that they add. Underneath, you are gonna have a Fox suspension system on here. This gives you a really nice off-road capability, but the nice thing about what they do on these trucks is they actually keep your original springs from that Super Duty package from Ford. What that does for you is you get all that off-road capabilities, but you maintain all of your towing and hauling capabilities from Ford, which is just absolutely magnificent. No other one of these competitors in the market of these trucks can do say or do that same thing. Coming around, you're gonna notice that wheel and tire package. They do have the beadlock wheels on there to keep the rubber attached to the rim. You do have the BF Good wrench, massive rubber on there. If you notice, this truck does have a very subtle graphics package. When we picked the blacked out look to this, we want to keep it as minimal as possible. You'll see it kind of faded in there with the flag. Coming around to the rear, you're gonna have the tailgate, power tailgate there, as well as a tailgate step. I'm sure you've noticed it before, but if not, I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is one of our updated systems here. Makes it a little bit more easy for the user. Pretty easy, adjustable there, sturdy, and it fluctuates as you get in and out, which makes it really nice, not uncomfortable, no matter which way you're going. Press the 1, the 2, slides right back inside. This is very light, not heavy at all, so anybody can just slide that back up in there, even a child. Coming over to the side, you're gonna notice you have bed lights in here. On the job, you got a cover set down at work, at the grocery store with the family. You need to get in the bed and see what's going on, just turn those on. You do have access to that from the cab or in the bed here. This does have the factory sprayed in liner in it. You'll notice the Ford emblem up front. Really nice package with that Rhino line. You'll never have any damage in there. Sneak around to the interior. These trucks do have the wood grain finish on that Lariat package with lots of bells and whistles. Heated and cooled seats, four-wheel drive, trailer brake here, 360 cameras, lane keeping system. You have a 110 volt here, 2 consoles just in case you need extra space, and a massive center console here. These trucks have everything, including Apple CarPlay. You can even remote start this truck from your key or from Ford Pass, which is a nice system that Ford allows for all its customers. You can GPS track the vehicle, remote start it, tire pressure, oil life, everything right there from your cell phone with no distance restrictions, okay? This is a magnificent system and it's free to you for life. Let's step in the back here and take a peek at a couple other items. These back seats are absolutely massive. With the adjustable seats here, you can flip them up and have unlimited storage capability, or flip it down and roll with a full crew. As you can see, I'm an average sized guy and I have plenty of room. There's about 8 inches in front of me here. Next thing we'll talk about is the power adjustments. You do have 2 USB ports back here, a 110 volt and a standard cigarette lighter, same as the front. Just so no matter how many people you have in here, you're gonna have unlimited power capabilities for all of them. You do have heated seats back here to keep your rear passengers comfortable. Thank you for meeting me out here again to speak with you a little bit about this 2019 Roush F250. Here at Ray Skillman Ford, we're Indiana's #1 Roush dealer, and that's for a reason. Any question or concerns you guys have, feel free to reach out. We're here at your disposal.